104.7 The Cave plays pure classic rock.
104.7 The Cave, Mike the Intern. So Styx is going to be on the AXS TV channel this Sunday at 7 o'clock with a show that they did at Las Vegas Orleans Arena last July. It was part of the soundtrack of the summer tour that had Don Felder and Foreigner. And I've got Tommy Shaw on the phone this morning. What's going on, man? Tell me about the show. Tell me why revealing this version that will air has been kind of edited a little bit.
It's pretty action-packed. Now, on the Access show, I don't believe they play the whole show. I think it's only like 55 minutes or something like that. So they did cut out a couple of songs. That's what I heard.
You got anything else to tell me about the show?
Well, it was during the Soundtrack of Summer tour. So it was basically us closing the show that night and doing the same show that if you came to see the tour last summer, it's that show. And Don Felder joins us on Blue Collar Man, and it's a nice big arena in Las Vegas. So it was us getting to be in the arena rock band that we became famous being.
You know what's crazy is you guys are out every single summer, and I go to your shows, and there is just a million people out there. Tell me how that makes you feel.
We have the fans who are making it possible. So I know there's a lot of guys who would like to be doing it, but there's not the fan base to support it. And we're so grateful that after all this time that there's like a constantly renewed fan base that's going on out there. And we're just very lucky that the music that we created so long ago and the way that we perform it now has all gone hand in hand and still attracts a big audience.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shaw, for your time this morning. I'm Mike the Intern, and we've got a six-pack of pure classic rock on the way next on 104.7 The Cave.
104.7 The Cave plays pure classic rock.